How to use YouTube TV free trial on multiple devices. Step number 1, sign up for YouTube TV free trial. Visit the YouTube TV website. Click on the Try It Free button. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one. Enter your payment information to start the free trial. Note, you won't be charged until the trial period ends. Step number 2, install the YouTube TV app on your devices. On each device you plan to use, navigate to the respective app store. Search for YouTube TV and install the app. Supported devices include smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, streaming devices such as Roku and Apple TV, and gaming consoles. Step number 3, sign into the YouTube TV app. Open the YouTube TV app on each device. Sign in using your Google account credentials associated with the free trial. Step number 4, understand streaming limits. With the base plan, YouTube TV allows streaming on up to 3 devices simultaneously. If you attempt to stream on more than 3 devices at the same time, you may encounter an error message. Step number 5, manage device usage. To optimize streaming, be mindful of the number of devices in use simultaneously. If you need more than 3 concurrent streams, consider upgrading to the 4K Plus add-on, which offers unlimited streams at home.